Are Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers good or bad? Quality GLC-Class wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The GLC-Class wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality GLC-Class wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. GLC-Class wheel spacers offer easy and cool wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fluid, humid and aggressive, and check-filled appearance. Installing GLC-Class wheel spacers is a great way to fix one of set rubbing problems. They install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These GLC-Class wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires. Protect against the suspension component. Their performance benefit to upgrading with GLC-Class wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risks. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the GLC-Class wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that the vehicles look better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling GLC-Class wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These GLC-Class wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air filters, which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and increase road safety. In addition, BONOSS active cooling GLC-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driving peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling GLC-Class wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.